How to make homemade shakshuka, an Arabic egg delight, Iftar and Ramadan special. Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you, and welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, a delicious and affordable recipe that's perfect for Iftar and Ramadan, homemade shakshuka, an Arabic egg delight. This dish is not only bursting with flavor but also easy for beginners to master. So, let's dive into the world of spices and aromatic goodness as we prepare this Iftar special. Segment 1, Introduction to Shakshuka. Shakshuka is a popular Middle Eastern dish that has found its way into kitchens around the world. It's a savory, tomato-based stew with poached eggs, typically spiced with cumin, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Not only is it incredibly delicious, but it's also versatile and can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Segment 2, Ingredients. Now, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for our homemade shakshuka. Olive oil. Onion, finely chopped. Bell peppers, diced. Garlic, minced. Canned tomatoes. Tomato paste. Cumin. Paprika. Cayenne pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. Eggs. Fresh parsley or cilantro for garnish. Segment 3, Preparing the ingredients. Before we start cooking, let's prepare our ingredients. Step-by-step preparation. 1. Chop the onions, bell peppers, and garlic. 2. Open and drain the canned tomatoes. 3. Measure out the spices, cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper. 4. Have the eggs ready for poaching. 51. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro. Segment 4, Cooking process. Now that everything is prepped, let's start cooking our homemade shakshuka. Step 1, Sautéing the aromatics. Heat a pan over medium heat, add a generous amount of olive oil, and sauté the finely chopped onions until they're translucent. Then, add the diced bell peppers and minced garlic, and cook until the vegetables are softened. Step 2, Adding tomatoes. Time to add the star of the show, our tomatoes. Pour in the canned tomatoes and tomato paste, giving it a good stir. This forms the rich and hearty base of our shakshuka. Step 3, Seasoning. Now, let's spice things up. Sprinkle in the cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Adjust the spice levels according to your taste. Stir everything together and let the flavors meld for a few minutes. Step 4, Creating wells for eggs. Once the tomato mixture is simmering, it's time to create wells for the eggs. Gently crack the eggs into the pan, making sure to space them evenly. This is where the magic happens, as the eggs poach in the flavorful tomato sauce. Step 5, Poaching the eggs. Cover the pan and let the eggs poach until the whites are set but the yolks are still runny. Segment 5, Presentation. Our homemade shakshuka is almost ready. Let's add the finishing touches. Spoon the shakshuka onto a serving dish, making sure to include an egg with each serving. Garnish with fresh parsley or cilantro for a burst of color and freshness. Segment 6, Serving suggestions. Shakshuka is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed in various ways. You can serve it with warm crusty bread, pita, or even over rice. The choice is yours. There you have it, our homemade shakshuka, an Arabic egg delight that's perfect for Iftar and Ramadan. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and sure to impress your family and friends. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our delicious recipes. Until next time, Ramadan Mubarak, and happy cooking. Thank you very much shakshuka, an Arabic egg delight lovers.